Hey guys, this is BMX Kit 11 and I'm going to do a review on my bike. It is a 2011 Verde Vax XL, 21-inch top tube, 21-inch rims. Front rim, Sabrosa, however, it came off of stock Sabrosa. Verde Cartel forks, Verde Cartel bars, Odell log neck grips. Shadow Conspiracy bar ends. They're really clear, but they just look really dirty. Animal PC LE pedals. They're a cyan blue. They actually spin really good. I love them. We the people seat. It turns from this cranberry color to a black. Animal ASM tire. This tire came off of Verde Eon. It's dirty because I was just riding it out here in Baldensville. It's kind of muddy because it rained. Animal ASM tire. It's a slick. It actually holds up really good in the rain. It picks up a lot of stuff though. 25-2 sprocket. Original chain just came with it. I tightened it up so it's like really tight. A hub, and here I'm going to show you the sound of my hub. Just stock forks too. Here's a video of me riding it. Kind of windy out here in Baldensville. I'm gonna get a little more speed. A little more speed! Ah. Over the bump. Dance comp sticker. Normal stem came off of it. So Odyssey, clear pads. So that's my bike. Oh, I forgot to say the bars with. Oh, this is a cinema rim, by the way. I can prove that too. The cinema wheel co. Alright, so this has been a 29-inch bars wide, really nice. So this has been a BMX 101 video. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. Have a nice day. Peace.